Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your health routine with CVS, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current health routine. Identify specific areas where you're struggling or could improve. Visit the CVS website or app to explore available health and wellness products. Search for vitamins, supplements, and health aids that fit your needs. Consider consulting with a CVS pharmacist for personalized recommendations. Make a list of the products you want to try based on your goals. Visit a local CVS store or use their online ordering for convenience. Browse through the health and wellness section for additional options. Check for any special promotions or discounts on health products. Once you have your products, create a daily routine incorporating them. Set reminders on your phone to help you stay consistent. Incorporate healthy eating habits by exploring CVS grocery options. Look for fresh produce, healthy snacks, and meal prep items. Consider using a health tracking app to monitor your progress. Set achievable goals to keep yourself motivated. Regularly review your routine and adjust as needed based on your progress. Don't hesitate to reach out to healthcare professionals for further advice. Stay committed to your health journey by making adjustments along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.